Terrier, the Wheaten Terrier, and the Airedale Terrier. So let's see which puppy they choose.
I'm Carmen.
I'm Lauren.
And I'm Sarah. I think that we get along very well. We're super unique in the sense that we're more best friends than we are sisters. It just so happens that we're blood related.
Carmen, Sarah, and Lauren, this is great. I've been so excited to meet you guys.
It's so excited to meet you.
Tell us a little bit about your lives.
We share a house together.
Going to school. What are you going to school for?
I'm in chemical engineering.
And I'm in mathematics.
And I'm geography and math.
I think we're pretty smart.
Yeah, we're pretty smart and hot. Got the whole package.
Pretty much. So you got it all, but all you need now is a puppy.
Exactly.
Whose idea was getting a puppy?
Our dad.
Yeah.
He wants us to.
Yeah.
His daughters, you know, he likes to protect us. So.
And if somebody comes to the door, they know there's a dog inside.
Yeah. A deterrent, I
And
guess.
like a watchdog, so they'll bark when someone's here.
Something
Even though I
like-
like little dogs, so.
Okay, so you're the
I'm a little dog. I'm a little dog.
Who's gonna be the mama here?
Carmen, the oldest.
Yeah.
She's just part-time at school right now, so she has the most time.
And she has that natural motherly
Yeah.
ability, so I'll be able to be here, take care of her, and just take on the responsibility fully. And then these guys, I know they'll help out, obviously,
we'll
but
be
whenever we
responsible
can.
and-
What kind of puppy? What are we looking for?
The dog that I picked was the West Highland White Terriers because I like the smaller dogs, like a decent-sized dog. So because we want it for guard dogs.
I'm fine with more like a medium-sized dog, and I was really looking into the Wheaten Terrier. They're hypoallergenic, super, super soft fur. Like, you don't live in a huge house or anything, so you're perfect for running around, taking in the car, that kind of thing. So my pick would definitely be the Airedale Terrier, and that's because we grew up with Airedale Terriers. Great watchdogs. They have a really nice deep bark. That's what I love.
I think this is gonna be great for you. I really, really do. Why not let you guys go off, find the perfect dog for each of you, and then at the end you're gonna have to make a big decision.
Oh,
You know that, right?
Might have to fight for it. Yeah.
And then you're going to come back, and I'm going to see if you guys back. All right.
First up, the Boconfuso sisters will be visiting Margaret of Cheviot-Vale Kennels to check out a litter of West Highland Terriers. Now, also known as Westies, these cute little terriers originated from Scotland. These guys can be great guard dogs with their watchful bark, but are also super friendly companions.
The West Highland Terrier are a great people dog. They're strong-willed. They're always wanting to please. They love to please you. The ideal owner would be someone who has the time to devote, number one, when they get a puppy, to training the puppy. Oh, it's nice of you to come out.
Yes,
See
thank
the
you for
dogs.
having us. We're really excited. We all like dogs, though.
Have you had any experience with